Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this Leetcode problem. Okay, let's see what it was saying. So they given like zero based permutation. Okay, so they give one array and that's nothing but a list you can do. You need the outcome in the same format, like the length of that outcome has to be same. Like if the input length is 3, then the output also 3. If the length of input is 6, then the output also 6. Okay, fine. So what they're expecting is, so whatever numbers you have now, so after that they want the another list by passing these values as an index. Okay, so you can see here, so initially in this, just check this example. So initially you have 0, and the value of nums of 0 is 0 only, so that's why you got the answer as 0. And after that, next one is nums of 1, that is nothing but 2. In that case, nums of 2, what is a 2? 0 1 2, 0 1 2, so that means 1, so that's why you got the value as 1. So nums of, I mean, it was iterating one by one. So initially it will start with 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, till the length of that list. Okay, and it was indexing, it was considering this as an index, and whatever the value you are getting, so that it was returning. Okay, so very straightforward, simple one. Let's take one output. Okay, this is the result you want to get. That is nothing but let's take an empty list, and for let's take for loop, because you want to iterate each one, right? So for I in, you have to use the range, and after that you have to use the length function. What is the length? Which length you have to do? Whatever input they are giving, so that length you have to do. Okay, so you have to do this length, and after that, what you have to do? So you want, okay, output. In that output, you need to append. Append means that you have to add. What you have to add? So nums, they clearly given. So nums is this, and you have to take the value, the index of that particular value. Okay, here you have to pass I. So then in this case, what happen? Nums of 0. What is the nums of 0? So that whatever given here, so that will be nums of 0 will come, that value will get, and that will be appended. And at the last, you have to return this output list. That is the end of. Okay, simply it's very simple. So what they're expecting is, like, so they're asking you iterate the loop till the length, and after that whatever index you have now, so whatever pass the index, and okay, so it was executed perfectly. So it was you can see here, it was done success, and I'm stopping this.